Now this is another multiple choice question of application of trigonometry. What are they asking? A kite is flying at the height of 30 meter from the ground, right? So kite is 30-meter high. Let us draw the kite. If here the kite is PQ, right, which is 30 meter above the ground. Then from the ground, the length of the string from the kite to the ground is 60 meter. So ground means I can take another point R, and the string which is attached to kite P, it is 30 meter, right? So this PR length is 60 meter, not 30 meter. It's 60 meter, assuming that there's no slack in the string. The angle of elevation of the kite at the ground is, so you will join here first Q to R. Now here this is a right triangle. We need to find out here angle of elevation of the kite at the ground. So PR is your line of sight. We need to find out angle R, which is theta, right? Now how can we take it here without taking theta also? You can just take angle R, right? So we need to find out here this angle. Now with respect to angle R, what are the known values here? If you will see, opposite is known, because with respect to acute angle R, it is opposite, and this is hypotenuse here because hypotenuse is the side opposite to 90 degree. If you'll see here, opposite to Q, it is 90 hypotenuse always, right? Now how to take it here? Opposite by hypotenuse is sine. SOHCAHTOA rule, if you remember here, SOHCAHTOA rule, if you will see which rule I am going to take it here, opposite by hypotenuse, which is sine. So sine R will be equals to PQ by PR, right? Now how to get sine R? Let sine R be there. PQ value is 30, right? So PQ is 30 by 60, which is nothing but half. Now you should know sine how much is half, right? So sine R is half, which is nothing but sine 30. So if they both the values are equal, means angle R is going to be 30 degrees. So let us see what is the right option here. If you see, answer your option number B is your right option, right? Hope you got this. Thank you.